Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stopping and verifying the big constraints: laws, safety, and expertise. You must confirm ownership and local regulations apply. Otherwise, don't proceed. Once done, treat the item as if loaded and make a physical, visual check, and then secure it in a safe area. Make sure to consult the firearms manual and contact the manufacturer for guidance. If you lack certified training or tools, you should not attempt removal yourself. Book a licensed gunsmith and explain the component and reason for change. Now assess the situation without touching sensitive components. You want clear photos, notes about function, and a record of serials to protect provenance and warranty. Once documented, contact a licensed gunsmith or the manufacturer, describe symptoms, and request an estimate and timeline. Make sure to ask about parts compatibility and whether the work affects warranties or legal status. If the specialist advises professional repair or replacement, follow their recommended route rather than improvising at home to avoid safety risks. Finish by using only authorized service to perform any removal or modification, and obtain a written receipt detailing parts and work. Once you receive the item back, perform a basic function check in a controlled, safe environment following the manufacturer's safe check procedure. Do not discharge or test in uncontrolled ways. If problems persist, stop and get a second licensed opinion rather than attempting further DIY fixes. Keep all records for legal compliance, warranty and future sale, or transfer documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.